There's your Easter basket. Let's open it. Here. Yay!
Wow, you made it so you can't even get into it?
Well,
How is he supposed to get in if you can't get in?
Here, I got it.
Look at that!
Look at all the fun stuff! Yeah. You want that right now? Thank you. Some food. That's what you're gonna go outside and find. Do you see the egg? This is an egg. Yay! And the bunny. And the clothes. Those are from Grandma. Yeah, Easter egg.
Noah, what do you got? Oh, look at that. I don't like those though.
Right here. Your little rake and your shovel. You want to see what's inside these? Yeah, let's crack it open. Raisins. Yum.
Noah. Noah.
No, look at Papa. Look at Daddy.
Psst. Noah, what's in there? What is that you're eating?
Raisins.
Noah. Noah. Not interested.
Ready?
Let's go outside.
Let's go find more eggs. Leave that in there. Leave that in there.
All right, we're going to go outside.